what Marco's doing here is we've pulled the triple clamp out, and Marco's re-greasing with Maxima waterproof grease. And we'll have a nice smooth action after we put it all back together. And Jorge, over here, he's preparing to install the steering stop. And what he's done is he's just knocked the sharp edges off the bottom of the standard steering stop. And then he's going to drill and tap this, and he's going to install this steering stop. What that's going to do is that's going to limit the total amount of travel that the motorcycle can have for the steering. And there's two things it does. We need to limit it for the stroke of the steering dampener, but it also stops the rider from overcorrecting, so we shorten it by a few degrees.